Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you a scenario where I had to make use of fixed LOD. Now the data that is being presented is a bank data set, which is a dummy data, and this data source is formed by combining two data sources. So the one is of transaction data source, and transaction data source contained these much column: account number, transaction, channel and month, and the second data source was balance data source. And the balance data source and the transaction data source was combined on account number and month. So I have not included the account number and month from the balance data set in order to avoid the duplicacy of the column. So the problem here was, now if you look into the moving average balance, the moving average balance is being duplicated twice, that is for Jan 21, and the two rows are being duplicated. The reason for this is because the channel API is being misspelled as APL, and the same is for the second account for the month of March 21. The channel that is used was YTG, and YTG is being misspelled as YTD, which has resulted in duplicacy of moving average balance. Now let us load this data in Tableau. So I have already loaded the data in Tableau. Just have a look. Now let me drag and drop the account number, channel and month, and the moving average balance. So account number, month, the channel and the moving average balance. Now if you carefully observe, in the very first account for the month of Jan and March, the rows are got duplicated because of the misspelling in the channel name, and each of them is having their own individual moving average balance. Now if I remove the channel name, the duplicated values will be aggregated as well, and if we display this value, then it will lead to the wrong reporting. So we have to avoid this. So in order to get the correct value, what we have to do is, we have to calculate the values at the level of account number and month without even considering the channel. So create a calculated field, name it fixed LOD. At the level of, we have to group it at the level of account number and month, and get average of moving average balance. Just close the fixed LOD, click on OK. Now double click on it. Let me do some formatting. I don't want the numbers after decimal places, so just eliminate it. Now right now we are getting both the values correct. Now let's say if I change the values of channel name, then I am getting the fixed value correct. In this way you can get the correct values even if the numbers are being duplicated using fixed LOD. And I wish that you can make the best use out of it, as these are some of the common problems or challenges that we come across. So that's it. Thank you.